Thank you so much for tuning in to another one of my vlogs. Today I'm taking you along with me to meet Garyvee. Like guys, I'm so in love with Garyvee. If you don't know who he is, like, you might be living under a rock. And I'm just kidding, but honestly, like, he's so awesome. And he's not gonna be the only one. This event is called like Success Resources America, and it's called like National Achievers or something like that. There's gonna be a lot of other guest speakers and motivational speakers. I'm so stoked. I'm currently doing check-in right now, so I will be taking you along with me. I'm so stoked. Two of my other friends will be here as well, so I'm very excited to kind of get their feedback to see how they like the event. But I'm so excited. I'll come back right now once I check in.
Okay, Letty?
Yes.
And let me just place this band around your wrist. Just now place it a little tighter.
Okay, that's fine. I like your nail color. Cool, thank you. Sounds good. Alright, so I'm so stoked. I just checked in. They gave me a little wristband and a little brochure or whatever. Oh guys, I'm so stoked. Look at him. Right here, there's a little billboard of him. Look, it's me and Garyvee. Honestly, I'm praying that I'd be able to like get to meet him. Can you imagine like how sick that would be? Just to like talk to him, ask him some questions, and just like see what's up. Oh my god, like that would be, take a picture. I would be so stoked about that. I don't know, that would just be the best. You never know, guys. Like, I'm praying about it, so even if I don't, I'm still stoked to even be here and see what's up, hear what he has to say. Guys, was I not just talking about my friend? I just found her.
What? It's destiny.
Yes, we literally just walked in at the same exact time. Like, that's so
Nice to finally meet you.
I'm meeting you in person for the first time. On camera.
I know, on camera.
I love it. We're about to have a dope day, right?
We're about to win, guys.
Yes, and we're just waiting for our other friend, Angie. Angie, shout out to you.
Ooh, Angie. I love you, Angie.
Yeah, me too. Okay, so let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's lunchtime now, we're having a break, and my two friends, Yessie and Angie, they actually stayed back because I'm not really sure. I think they they had to fix something with their parking or something. They had to like go move. So now I have two options. Either I could eat at the convention center, which I mean I kind of checked it out, but there was a long line for everything, and I'm kind of near Staples Center, so one of the guys told me I could go to LA Live, so I'm probably just gonna check that out. It's like a walking distance, but it's not too bad. It's pretty close by, and I am hungry. I'm starving, so that's my plan right now. I'm gonna go ahead and head out to grab something to eat, and then we're about to head back afterward. And I'm not sure who will be speaking next. Like, the one thing that's going on right now is like they're not really like saying like the lineup. Gene Simmons spoke. He was pretty awesome, pretty dope. I really loved like what he had to say. I loved his take on everything. It's so funny because he was actually supposed to be speaking about marketing, and it really wasn't, like, in my opinion, it wasn't like really geared to marketing. He was just kind of like storytelling, but it was still sick. Like, it's Gene Simmons, you know, like it was so dope. I'm currently walking back into the convention center, and I'm hoping the girls can get a little shot of me in my outfit that I'm wearing. because I kind of want to show you guys what I wore. Kind of ended up going kind of like business attire a little bit. I wasn't sure, like I'm sure there wasn't a dress code or anything, but I felt like I kind of wanted to like dress up a little bit just in case I meet Garyvee. I'm just kidding. No, honestly, I just kind of felt like I should keep it a little bit professional.
I create my life. I'm 100% responsible. I'm 100% committed. When I get knocked down, I get back up. When I get knocked down again, I keep getting back up. I can have anything in life. When I pay the price, I love my life. I love myself. And then we listen to Come and Get Your Michael Jackson. What if you could get to tell a different story about who you are? And right, step one is to do what? Declare what you want and why you matter. Step two is define the necessary. You guys are good. Step three is decide. Am I willing to do the work? Am I willing to pay the price? Am I willing to study? Am I willing to hire coaches? Am I willing to sit in the seat and listen to people talk? Am I willing to high five and attend and try? Am I willing to do the friggin' work? I won't cuss because my wife has two children. She's gonna get me out if I say anything. Once I decide yes, then what's step four? Drink some powerfully. Every day. The story you believe in the most about yourself is the story that you tell the most. Step five, commit.
So I just made a new friend. Her name's Linda.
Hi.
We're both here like trying to sneak in to see Garyvee.
He's right behind those curtains, guys.
Let me show you. Like right back there. Our friend over here got to meet him. Lucky. Got his personal email.
Networking.
Please give a huge ovation to Garyvee.
What's great about humans is we're grossly underrated. This is why we're still here. Deep down, we are very good collectively. And so, I'm starting to see that, and in that, I hope that encourages you to realize everybody's got something. Everybody's got something. It's true. And so, whether it's you're insecure in the judgment of others, stops you from making, and I'm hoping that I make you realize you shouldn't feel bad for you, you feel bad for them. Whether it's you got some sort of secret that you think is up, but in the reality of things, it's okay. I mean, look, if you murder somebody, you might want to keep that. But, you know, like, put it out there, let go, you will be blown away. That might be the unlock. My friends, the reason I build me, not anything else but me, not Instagram Extra 49, not Crypto Guy 6, no me, is because it comes with me. If all of these disappear, if they all disappear, if the government comes along and says they're all outlawed and now we're doing our own thing like China and there's one app, haha.com, when you sign up, you're going to type in Garyvee to find me on that platform. It comes with you. And so, thank you. And so, please take advantage of the underpriced opportunities right now. Please figure out how to make content that's good for them, not for you. I come up here and I give a talk for this 45 minutes that's good for you, not good for me. You understand? That is what you need to do when you produce content. It doesn't need to be a piece of content that's actually at the top of the funnel thing to get them into your funnel, to get them into conversion. It needs to be something that actually brings someone value, period, of the story, see ya, to build emotion and equity. My friends, when this is all said and done, it's going to end up very simple. Whoever brings the most value to their audience will win. We love Amazon because we get stuff at good prices delivered to us the next day. We like that. You may not like other things they do, or this, that, and the other thing, or whatever is your political point, whatever, but you like getting what you want at the best price immediately. We, as humans, to get what we want, have to figure out how to bring value to them in the places where they consume information. Until you figure that out, you'll keep looking for the hack, the one that doesn't exist. Thank you.
The event. Guys, I freaking saw Garyvee. I saw Garyvee speak. I was super close. I ended up getting like pretty close to him as well. I was so stoked. It turned out so good. I wish like I could have like actually got him like saying hi to the vlog, but honestly, like just to be completely honest, I got super shy. The good thing is at least I did get close enough, and I'm very stoked about that. But I have to say that the talk was so freaking dope. I cannot believe I got to see Garyvee, and I was like super close. Oh my gosh, it was amazing. The next thing I'm gonna do now is just take off. I'm going home. So that'll be it for this vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope that you get a little takeaway. I feel like I really did learn a lot today. It was like beneficial for me to be here, and I'm so glad I got to network with some people. I got to make some new friends. So that was really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and add their Instagram information and all of their website information in the description box below. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Be sure to hit the bell notification so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video, and give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments who your favorite speaker was. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Okay, just kidding, I'm back. I never showed you my outfit, so what I'm about to do is do a little, I don't know, like a little OOTD by myself. Hold up.